Where do I enter tax forms 1098 E, T, or C in Credit Karma Tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to creditkarma.com. Here you want to click on the option of Login. On this login portal, enter your email ID, then enter your password and click on the Login option. Once you have been logged into your account, if you haven't started your tax return yet, begin a new tax return. If you have already started, you can continue where you left off. You want to look for the section related to deductions and credits. This is located in the part of tax return where you are reporting your income and deductions. Within the deductions and credits section, there should be a specific area for education-related deductions and credit. This is where you're going to enter the information of Form 1098E, 1098T, or 1098C. You will be prompted to enter the information on these forms. If you are to search for these forms individually, make sure that the letter after 1098 is mentioned correctly. Otherwise, you are going to end up in the wrong form. You will typically need to input details such as the amount of student loan interest paid, tuition expenses, or charitable contributions. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. Make sure to enter accurate and up-to-date information to ensure that your tax return is filed correctly. Once you have entered all relevant information, review your tax return to ensure accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, you can proceed to submit your return. If you face any confusion during this process, you can contact the customer support of Credit Karma Tax. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.